Excuse you, whose hair is this?
And I'll write your name.
It's another beautiful day to be Rogelio.
What are you doing with this?
Painting.
Painting what?
A vase. A vase. My pants are falling down.
He's a good boy. Who's a good boy? He's a good boy. I'm on a motorcycle!
5 Brothers. And it's by Penelope Douglas.
Vegetarian and I ain't scared of him.
What's flopping? My mouth?
Yeah. Ready to rock. Got 16 minutes.
Excuse you, whose hair is this?
Yours?
Better be mine. How is that laying there?
I don't know. Because I just had your gloves on me, like in my hand. I just set them down here.
That's shorter than mine.
Get on the back.
There's John.
It's another beautiful day to be Rogelio.
Zoom, zoom. These pants are so comfy. That was a unicorn.
The puppy.
Oh, it's a big puppy.
There's little pigeons. Hello, little pigeons. Didn't say hi back.
The pigeons?
Yeah.
Sorry.
These are very comfy pants.
Yeah.
They have a lot of stretch to them.
Yes, they do. And they have a lot of
Gosh, that was scary. That was scary. I didn't like that. I thought I was gonna hit.
coming at it a little too
Coming
angled
hot.
there.
Do you think if I chopped like that branch off?
They'd be mad?
Yeah.
Possibly.
But like there's so many branches.
Hairball?
If I just did one, they could share, right?
Sharing is caring.
Yeah, totally.
Those are like the branches I wanted. They just need to be a little more brown. What are you doing?
Doing my stretches. Oh, you dropped it.
You just splashed that people your butt.
They liked it. Then I can go like this.
Chop this off.
Oh, and then I can go
Look
like
at
this.
the bottom of these.
Look at this. I can go
They're
like
pretty.
this. And go like this. And zoom.
I can't wait to have one to wear.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Oh.
5 Brothers. And it's by Penelope Douglas. That's probably...
Not good. Like,
I mean, she wrote Credence.
super duper extra deluxe essential handbook.
I don't know about that one.
I mean, it's worse than 5 guys. 'Cause they're
5
brothers.
brothers.
But would they be her brothers, or if they're brothers?
It better not be her brothers. Those are cousins. Step cousins.
Still weird.
And step uncle.
Still weird. Yeah. Still weird. Is that better?
Yes. Okay.
Hey.
Hi.
I think he said something before.
Did
Before
he
I
say
said
something to us?
I think so, but I couldn't tell. I couldn't hear him.
I thought he said something about faces.
Why don't you just do ice cream party?
I'm painting a vase. I don't want an ice cream party.
A festival?
No.
What are you doing with this?
Painting.
Painting what?
A vase. A vase. Because it's white and it has red all over it. So I'm going to paint it.
Oh. Why is that red all over it?
Because they had it like that in the store.
I thought it was because you sprayed like tomato soup on it.
No, it came like
Oh.
that.
Oh.
I don't know if I need a lighter one.
Orange,
Do I need a lighter one too to kind of?
maybe.
I
What
don't
are you
know.
painting on it?
I'm painting a vase.
I know, but what are you painting on it?
I'm not painting on. What?
Well, there's that many colors. Are you like drawing something on it? Or are you just painting it all one color?
This is 5 colors.
Like Five Brothers? Yeah, but are you like mixing all the colors to
pants
make
are
one
falling
color? Because it's just going to make black.
No.
So then how are you painting it?
Very carefully.
Are you making a design on it?
No.
Then I don't know what you're doing.
So maybe I'll get this one and then this.
Alright, what am I going to have to shove in here? I did.
My pants are falling down. I gotta like readjust. It's making my underwear fall down.
Good thing these have zippers. They thought of everything. You gonna remind me I need to tighten up my helmet since I loosened it?
I'll put it on for you and be romantic.
Hmm.
You took it away from me.
I took your moment away. Sorry. Just riding back and forth.
Mm-hmm. There's so many people today. It's a friend.
I
There's a
know.
girl.
It's busy. Did you wave?
Did they wave? No. Did they wave?
No. No.
Uh-huh. Definitely did not stand on the peg.
What?
My foot was on the exhaust part. Oops. My bad.
What?
Nothing.
What'd you do?
Nothing.
Oh, you hit my helmet. How dare you?
Bonk. That sounds like a Yoshi. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Big tongue. Our nephew thought that Yoshi said big tongue. So now every time I hear Yoshi, I think of big tongue. Wait, did I zip my bag all the way? I can't see it. I won't check, I guess. Live life on the edge.
You can check right up here. We'll just look back on the video and see whether or not you did. We'll just look back on the video and see if you did.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, go
I'm
ahead.
gonna check. I don't want to lose any paints. Wait, I can't see though. You have to check.
I can't see either.
Is there anyone behind us? Is it shut all the way? I think so.
Well, it's shut.
Okay. There's somebody behind us. They're turning.
I want to make sure.
Why? You don't want to be roadkill?
No.
Can't say that on the internet.
I don't want to be road beep. They're not like road unalived. I don't want to be road unalived. Hey Cardo, share music. Did it work?
No.
Hey Cardo, share music.
Were you listening to music that whole time? Oh,
No, just
gosh.
now. It's supposed to share music, but it doesn't like to.
What are you listening to?
Blank Space, I Prevail.
Not Taylor Swift?
No, this one's a little better.
Blank space, baby. And I'll write your name. You can't twerk into me.
Yep, us twerking into you. And then I realized, I could bump her off really easy.
You could. Your back
Then-
is just making you mad. Just twerk them off.
Then it'd be a real Pookie. Where are you?
Except it'd be like, Pookie? Sorry, Pookie, I pushed you off. He's just a good boy. He's a good boy. Who's a good boy? He's a good boy. Ah! That's how you lose the Pookie.
I'll tell you this time.
Pew.
Okay, get ready.
I'm ready. Oh, I like the zoo, but do the bibbidi bobbidi boo. Yum. Ah, I wasn't ready.
Oh, it'd be so much more fun when I got a faster bike. So we can be like, wait, and then we can be like,
Okay.
we can be like going 60 in like 2 seconds rather than like 10.
Hey,
Yeah, not
this is a
10,
good
but-
bike. I love this bike. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a motorcycle.
We can't do that, it's dangerous.
I'm on a motorcycle. If you hold on to my leg, it's not dangerous.
Huh?
I said if you hold on to my leg, it's not dangerous. I like the leg. You never touch my leg.
Yeah, but then you're gonna fall off and your head's gonna be bouncing, hitting the tire.
No, you just a pookie. That's my new favorite word. Meow. 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 Meow.
Tights underneath, I got a cigarette on my teeth, and she's
And
an actress.
but she ain't got no beef. She's got money.
Yeah, you're messing me up, so you're delayed. Thinks I'd have some other, cause
You didn't share your music with
boyfriend.
me. I'm a vegetarian and I ain't scared of
I
him.
am vegetarian and I ain't scared of
Scared
him.
of him. She wants to touch me. Oh, she wants to love me. Oh, she'll never hit. Oh, 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 oh. Don't trust her. Never trust her. Don't trust her. Don't trust me. Was I
What's
on
poppin'? Oh,
My
you're...
shirt?
No. It's
Oh,
your
my shirt. What's flopping? My mouth. Don't turn far. Thank you. Have a good day. Run it,
Pedal.
right. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Whoa!
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Did he got it?
Did he?
Did he heard me?
Maybe.
Pookie, pookie. Pookie, pookie. Pshoo, 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 pshoo. Go, go, Gryffindor.
This is how you're supposed to sit. Bump.
Bump. Oh, yes, a bump. Says
Bump.
pinkies up. That's so proper. Do I sit like this then? I'm so proper.
This is how you sit.
Yum. Oh, look,
Oh.
a garage show. We can get new clothes. Just
Hey,
kidding.
look.
We got new clothes at nbt.com. Links in bio.